Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a loving couple on water. And I'd like to thank Skillshare, our sponsor for this video. We begin with the shape of the head of the woman and we can add some features like the eye, eyebrow, and let's draw the jaw. Good, now the shape of the head of the man. Yes, they will be kissing. We mark his hand around her neck, then his ear and her arms. As you see, I'm using a fountain pen. I think his ear and neck are too far away to the right and therefore the face is out of proportion. Let's fix that. I'll make the neckline a lot closer, like so, and the ear then would be about here. As you know, the ink cannot be erased, so an error like the one I made can often ruin a drawing. But sometimes we may be lucky. The old neckline may be in an area of shade, and the old ear in the darkness of the hair, and therefore this drawing may survive. Which is a good thing because I will need it for Valentine's Day. And we begin shading with hatching and cross hatching. This pen that I have been using has a broad nib, which may be a little bit too broad in some cases, so I'll switch to another one with a fine nib. And I use it, for example, for the shading of the faces, which is more delicate. Yes, the lines made with this one are really fine. His right hand is here. And for a stronger line, we can go back to the other one. I love drawing with fountain pens. It is indeed a pleasure. They give a unique feeling when they slide smoothly on the paper. We draw the hand, first with the general shape and then the fingers. We darken some of the clothing and then draw a reflection on the water. And let's shade this area since it should be in shadow, and then below this point as the hips come out slightly, they should be in the light. Before we finish this drawing, I would like to tell you about Skillshare. Skillshare, as you may know, is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. As an artist, it is important to keep learning and improving your skills. And with Skillshare, you can learn safely from your home about practically any subject. There are great, very useful lessons, like for character illustration and design, with tips on construction and anatomy. The two classes that I want to take myself are the Ultimate Ballpoint Pen Drawing Course by Martin Shafi, as he has some amazing techniques that he achieves with cheap materials. Amazing, eh? And the other one I really want to take is called Landscape Oil Paintings, Mountains and Forests and Oceans, oh my, by Sarah McHenry. They look really awesome, I look so much forward to them. Skillshare is curated specifically for learning, meaning there are no ads, and they are always launching new premium classes. And it is really affordable too, like less than $10 a month with the annual subscription. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click on the link in the description of the video will get a free trial of the premium membership so you can explore your creativity. And of course, I recommend you to take my class How to Draw with Ink, the Basics. Very good. Now let's go back to our drawing. We continue with the shading and then let's do something unexpected. Let's draw some shark fins. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code, Dangerous Love. And by the way, please let me know what does this drawing mean to you. Let's draw some little waves on the water and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to click on the link below to get a free premium trial membership on Skillshare, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.